Bitnapping TV.
Hi and welcome to Bitnapping TV. My name is Tino and I am a bitnapper. Sometimes you have to save a file or open a file in an application. So for example, if you would like to upload a file to Flickr. So Flickr needs the file and now you have to go to this folder structure to find it. Or, which makes it very special, you just take the file from anywhere it is and put it into this dialog. It will automatically choose the file instead of moving it. And now I can select it and start to upload to Flickr. This also works if I would like to save a file anywhere, like this one opened in preview. I click on File, Save As, and I get the dialog again. But this time it looks a little bit different. Usually I have to click this icon now to get the folder structure again. But I also can only move this folder into this dialog for choosing it. Isn't that great? And now I can save it in there.